Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the best software tools for managing small construction businesses. We'll look at Monday.com, ClickUp, and Rike, and I will show you how each one can help streamline your projects. You can find links to all three tools in the description below. Let's dive into Monday.com, an excellent platform for organizing your construction projects. To get started, visit the website linked in the description. After signing up, you'll land on the home screen, which allows you to manage all your workspaces and boards. On the home screen, you'll see an overview of your various workspaces, boards, and inbox. On the left side, you'll find an option to create a new workspace. A workspace is where a team or department collaborates on a project. The default name is New Workspace, but you can easily rename it. I'll rename it Launch New Cookie Company Stores to track the opening of new stores for the Kevin Cookie Company. Now, let's enter this workspace. Upon entering, you'll notice it's empty since we haven't added any boards yet. There are a couple of ways to create a new board. You can click on Add from Templates to choose from a variety of templates that suit your needs. Alternatively, you can start from scratch by clicking the plus icon in the top right corner. This prompts you to create a new board. I'll use this board to manage the opening of our New York City flagship store. Below, you can set the board's privacy, choosing whether it's visible to everyone in your organization or limited to specific individuals. I'll select Main, and remember, these settings can be changed later. Next, I'll define the terminology for the board, setting it to Items, and then click Create Board. Congratulations, you now have your first board. It's user-friendly and visually appealing. Now, you're in your new board, where you'll find groups and items that help categorize and organize the project. For the New York City flagship store opening, we have three main areas of work. To rename one of the groups, I'll enter Plan Opening Day Festivities. Below that, we need to hire staff, so I'll add Hire Staff. Finally, I'll create one more group titled Build Out Location. With all groups added, you can expand or collapse them as needed. I realize we should probably build out the location before hiring staff. By pressing and holding on any group, I can easily reposition it. Hovering over a group reveals an ellipsis that lets me modify various settings, like changing the group color. Since I'm excited about the opening day festivities, I'll choose red to make it stand out. After adding groups, you can also add items within each group. For the opening day festivities, I want to set a world record for the largest cookie baked. I'll go ahead and add various items for the opening day. Just like with groups, I can rearrange items by pressing and holding to move them. When you hover over an item, clicking on the ellipsis opens up additional options related to that item. For more detailed tracking, Monday.com allows you to add sub-items. For instance, under the item for setting the world record, I can click the expand icon and add relevant sub-items. After adding these, the plan for the world record becomes clearer. To provide the team with guidance, I'll ensure we use organic flour. I'll click Open, which reveals a sub-pane on the right side for discussions. I'll type, "Let's make sure to use organic flour," and then click Update. Now everyone can see this update. Additionally, I can click on an item to open it fully and attach files. For example, I want to include a recipe, so I'll click Add File to attach the baking instructions as a Word document. Now the entire team has access to this crucial file. You can see how powerful Monday.com is. Everything you need is centralized, eliminating the confusion of endless email threads. Beyond conversations and file attachments, there are also columns to track additional data types for each item. For the largest cookie baked, I have a column for the responsible person, allowing me to assign tasks. Next is a status column, where I can mark it as in progress or stuck for any items. The bottom of the column provides an aggregated view of our progress across the items. There's also a date column, and I can add more columns by clicking the plus icon. If I select More Columns, I can explore additional options. Let's add a priority column. Similar to groups and items, I can rearrange it within the table. This project is really taking shape. Notifications are another helpful feature. Clicking into notifications reveals all conversations. My inbox provides a comprehensive view of everything happening across all boards. In summary, you can sign up for Monday.com using the link provided in the description below. It's a great opportunity to test the platform and see how it can enhance your organization. Next one is Rike. If you don't have a Rike account yet and would like to try it for free, check out the link in the description. Clicking that link will take you to the Rike website. To start your free trial, click on Try Wrike for free in the top corner. Next, enter your email address and click Try Wrike for free. You'll then need to create your account by providing your name and company name, agreeing to the terms, and moving to the next step. At this point, Wrike will ask about your team or department, but I recommend skipping this step to keep things simple and avoid confusion. Once that's done, Wrike will prepare your workspace. Click Get Started to access the main dashboard, where the real work happens. I'll show you how to effectively set up your projects. First, let's clear out the pre-existing tasks to start with a clean slate. With the dashboard blank, we can create our project. For example, let's set up a project for managing client acquisitions. Go to the top section and rename it to Sales and Client Acquisition. This name will also update on the left side. In this project, you can add tasks. For instance, the first task could be Rebuild the sales funnel. Just type it in and hit Enter. You can also add another task like Create a new ad campaign. Now your team can clearly see these tasks. Next, let's make these tasks more detailed. For Rebuild Sales Funnel, click on the More section and then select Add Sub-Item. This allows you to create subtasks under Rebuild Sales Funnel. You might add items like Create a new video sales letter, Get client testimonials, and Build 2 sales funnels using ClickFunnels. This provides clarity on what your team needs to accomplish. To reorder tasks, simply click and drag the dots on the left side. For example, if you want to move Get client testimonials above Create a new video sales letter, just drag it up. Now, let's assign tasks. Click on the Assign area to see your team members. For subtasks, you can assign different people to each one, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. You can also set the status of each task with options like New, Planned, In Progress, Review, and Completed. If you want to add or edit these statuses, go to the Workflow section, and you could include a new status like Testing. Setting due dates is crucial. You can also assign due dates for each subtask. Adding files related to tasks is simple. You can upload images, videos, or other documents to assist your team by clicking on the plus section to add these files. Now, let's discuss additional fields. You can include start dates for tasks, ensuring that they are set before the due date. You can also assign priority levels to tasks. To filter and sort your tasks, use the options at the top. You can sort by priority, due date, or by who is assigned to each task. This helps keep everything organized. Next, let's change the view of your tasks. Right now, we're in the table view. Let's switch to the board view, which visually displays the status of each task, making it easier to track progress. We also have the Gantt chart view, which resembles a spreadsheet. This view provides a timeline format for all your tasks. While it may not be my preferred view, it's useful for visualizing project timelines. Now, let's check out the calendar view. This displays an entire calendar of tasks for the month. Now, let's look at back-end settings. Click on your profile icon and go to Settings. Here, you can change your profile picture, name, company information, and time zone. Under Work Schedule, you can define your working and non-working days. You can also customize your email preferences to control what notifications you receive, helping to keep your inbox clear. Finally, let's explore apps and integrations. Click on your profile icon and navigate to Apps and Integrations. Here, you can search for any apps you want to connect with Wrike. For example, if you want to integrate Gmail, simply search for it and follow the prompts to add it. This way, you can connect all the tools you use in your construction business with Wrike, making your project management even more efficient. Let's dive into ClickUp. It offers a variety of plans, including a free option that you can explore by clicking the link in the description below. Once you've signed up for ClickUp, you'll notice its unique hierarchy. At the top, you have your workspace, which represents your company. Beneath this, you can create spaces for different departments or projects such as construction, sales, and marketing. Within each space, you can establish folders for specific tasks or projects, and within those folders, you can add lists detailing the steps or tasks involved. As you set up your hierarchy, try to keep things simple. It's easy to get carried away and create too many spaces or folders. If you have a small team, aim for about 4 spaces, each containing a few folders. This straightforward approach will help you and your team use ClickUp more effectively. One of the standout features of ClickUp is its ability to switch between different views. You can view tasks in a list format, a board view, or even a calendar view. This flexibility allows you to manage tasks in the way that works best for you and your team. You can also set a default view for each list or folder to make navigation smoother. Another useful feature is the ability to add documents within your spaces. This is great for storing important files, standard operating procedures, or project plans. For example, when managing a construction project, you could create a document with all the necessary details for your team to easily access. As you start using ClickUp, it's crucial to manage notifications effectively. The platform can generate a lot of notifications, which might become overwhelming. Take the time to adjust your notification settings to ensure you only receive updates that are vital for your work. In summary, this overview of ClickUp highlights how it can benefit your small construction business in 2024. Remember, the key to using any project management tool is to stay organized and keep things simple. With ClickUp, you have the tools to enhance your project management and boost your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get started with ClickUp. The link to it is provided in the description below.